finance, a la shmup. What is a commitment letter? Dear Rebecca, it's been fun and all, but asking me to move in with you was a real turnoff, so have a nice life. Yeah, that would be a fear of commitment letter. I know that one well. Well, so what's a commitment letter then? All right, well, you need dough. But you don't need it today. You need it in 6 months when construction is finished on your cabin by the lake. At that point, you'll convert your very expensive building loan into a normal mortgage. Well, you can go to the bank and for a small-ish fee, get a commitment letter from them, which stipulates that, assuming nothing material changes between now and then, you will in fact then get a loan for $152,000 at 5% fixed interest rate for 30 years. The bank is then committed to giving you that loan when, eventually you need it. That way, you don't have to worry about your bank, breaking up with you, which is nice because it's tough getting the "it's not you, it's me" speech from a guy in a bow tie.